Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. We all love those nice hot piping vadas, don't we? And evening times are always nice when we make these nice hot crispy vadas. Today I'm going to share a South Indian style vada recipe which contains 4 different types of dals. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, we are using 4 types of dals. To a big bowl, add quarter cup of raw rice, quarter cup of Urad Dal, quarter cup of Chana Dal, quarter cup of Toor Dal, and wash it a few times. Add 4 red chillies, pour enough water and soak it for about 2 hours. To another bowl, add 3 tablespoons of Moong Dal, wash it nice and clean and soak it for 2 hours. We are not going to grind the Moong Dal, we are going to add it to the batter separately. After 2 hours, if you see the dal and the rice is soaked well, it's nicely plumped up. Next, to the mixer jar, add the soaked red chillies. You can cut them into 2 along with the dal. It would be easy to grind. With this, add a piece of chopped ginger and grind it in pulse mode without adding any water. Open the mixer jar, mix the batter and grind it again. I'm adding just a little bit of water and I'm going to pulse it a few more times. Now transfer the prepared batter to a bowl and keep it aside. To a tempering pan, add 3 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is nice and hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start crackling, add 1 teaspoon of Asafoetida powder. Adding Asafoetida powder enhances the flavors of the vada. To this, add half cup of freshly grated coconut and saute for about a minute. Switch off the stove and add the tempered ingredients to the ground batter. Add the soaked moong dal after straining the water. Add the chopped curry leaves and 1 teaspoon of salt and mix everything well. The batter is not too coarse or too smooth as well, so it's a medium texture. This texture and consistency is very important for these vadas. To a kadai, add enough oil for deep frying and heat it. Once the oil is nice and hot, we can gently start frying the vadas. I'm using a piece of banana leaf to make this vada. Dab a little bit of water on the leaf. Take a small portion of the vada batter, place it on the leaf and shape it evenly. Then gently drop the vada into the hot oil. Make sure to maintain the flame on a medium. Once the vadas come to a lovely golden brown color, you can remove it from the hot oil and place it on a tissue. If you see, the vadas have come out so beautifully, they look so good and they're extremely delicious. You can make these vadas in batches. Make sure to serve these vadas nice and hot with some nice coconut chutney by the side. Unlike the other vadas that we normally make, in this we are using 4 types of dals and we're not using onions or green chilies for this recipe. So do give this a try and I'll give you a couple of links to the other vada recipes I've made earlier. You can check them out. Now that we've made these crispy dal vadas, well, it's time to taste. Now I'm serving this with some nice coconut chutney by the side. It's time to enjoy this. So delicious. You can hear that nice crunch. The flavors of the dal with the ghee and coconut, it's just fabulous. It makes for a perfect evening time snack. As you can see, this is a very simple and easy recipe to make and it's very tasty. Everybody will absolutely enjoy this. So if you're having some friends over, if you're having a nice get together, these vadas will be an absolute hit. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.